Hey, I'm Josie.
And I'm Brad.
And we are
Two
on
Tour. Hi everybody, welcome to Las Cruces KOA, currently a journey. I believe they are working on making it a holiday. As you come into the KOA, you got the registration building immediately on your right. There is a really nice dog park, Camp K9. Got some benches and some agility stuff and a fire hydrant for your dog. There's a public seating area with a couple swings. And straight across from the registration is going to be the kids area. They have a gazebo with some chairs. Up on top there you can see that. Up there is the pool. We'll look at that when we get back around the other side. A lot of kids' equipment for them to play on. It's all got rock under it. As you come up the road on the left, they have, I think, what they call mountain view sites. Some of them have patios. One of them actually has a metal building with some stuff in it. Some of them you back in, some of them you pull in. Straight across from those are pull-through sites. They all got, I think all the pull-throughs over here are 50 amp with water and sewer, 30 or 50, I guess. There's more mountain view sites, 30, 50, full hookup. There is a path and a gazebo. We'll walk over to the gazebo. On the scenic walk path, they've got this little gazebo, and inside somebody took the time to name all the mountains. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's Pistachio Mountain, the Robledo Mountains, and then you further to the right you got the Donna Ana Mountains. I'm probably saying that wrong. That's okay. And then a little more to the right, you got the San Agustin Mountains. The views here are really nice. A little more to the right, you got the Organ Mountains and the Tortuga Mountain, or A Mountain. Not quite sure what that means. Then you got the Bishop Cap Group. And then way on the far right, you have the Franklin Mountains. They have a couple little chairs in here for you to sit on and absorb the views. Also on the walking trail, they have a community fire pit with some nice chairs. Nobody's out here right now. Nice chairs and a great view. You're up above the road here. It's a really quiet KOA. Not a lot of traffic. You're a little ways from the interstate, so there's a small bit of noise, but not much. They are doing some construction. These used to be back-in sites, and from what I understand, they're moving all their current camping cabins in a little group, and then they're going to bring some other cabins in here that are going to have water and sewer, I believe. That's what will make them a KOA holiday from a journey. Currently, this could easily be a journey. If they would get that done, then they make their goal. So site number 29 is what they call a deluxe patio site. They have a lounging area plus a fire pit along with their table and chairs. Right next to that is number 30, I believe. Number 30 is a paw pen site. They only have one of each of these in the park. So these are all the back-in patio sites. They still have 30 and 50 amp power along with water and sewer. And then straight across the road from those are, I believe these are the shorter pull-throughs for shorter campers. They have quite a few of those as well. Right to the right when you drive in, they have a few tenting sites. They have one that has a tenting patio site. And then right below the tenting sites, they have 3 camping cabins. They do have a kitchen that everybody can use. It's got pretty much everything you need. A couple grills, a couple sinks, some 2-burner stoves in there, propane stoves. And then right next to those, they have a couple camping cabins and some more tenting sites. So right by the kitchen, they have be about a half basketball court, tetherball, and bean bags. And then right across from the bathrooms and showers, I guess, is the pool area. The pool area is in the shape of a T, which is kind of interesting. It is a heated pool. It's got a covered gazebo with a couple tables, and it's got some couches and chairs, fake grass. It seems like everywhere in the desert you put fake grass, it seems to work better. Kind of a unique feature at this KOA is a dog wash. Wash your paws. It's a dog wash with a dryer. Pretty much everything you need. Bring your own soap and your dog, and you're in good shape. That brings us all the way back to the registration area. We just kind of walked a complete circle. Pan around here and let you see kind of where we're standing. Good view of the mountains again. I don't think there's really any site that doesn't have a decent view. Obviously some are better than others, but it's a nice KOA.